Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 21. In Lessons 19 and 20, we learned the cardinal numbers, which indicate quantity, amount. In this lesson, we're going to learn about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order of things or objects. They can also show ranks or status of things. Now that you know the cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers will be really simple, as you will see. Let's go to the desk. Ordinal numbers. In the last video, we looked at cardinal numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Ordinal numbers are used to show position or rank. Let's see some ordinal numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, these are the cardinal numbers, but we need to be able to use numbers to show position in a sequence or rank or status. For example, the first lady, the first lady. The second in command. Third place. For example, in a competition. So these are the ordinal numbers. They are really easy. Once you've got these three, the others are then consistent. In other words, they work the same way. Let's have a look at 4. Five. After 5th, we go to 6th, and you can see that the ordinal number is the cardinal number plus the letters TH. So 6, 6th, 6, 6th, and the other numbers following are all regular. So 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. Even if we go to 645, it gives us 640. Do you recognize this? 5th. So here's the TH. And that's all you need to know to be able to use ordinal numbers. Once you know the cardinal numbers, everything else is simple. That wasn't difficult, was it? That is the end of this section on numbers. I hope it was helpful for you. In the next lesson, you will learn some shopping vocabulary and phrases. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.